Hello, and welcome today to my YouTube channel where you'll hear things you won't hear anywhere else or learn in any school, possibly. I'm going to talk about the aging process today and reversing or slowing down the aging process because science now has gotten to the point where we know how to do this. It's pretty exciting, actually. So many of you have heard my previous talks about how to live a little longer, actually a lot longer, by selecting and making choices of the foods that you ingest. And you don't have to be very smart about this because it was given to us by God and it's color coded. So my talk is about the color coding of the foods that we can choose to eat. But there have been some very recent discoveries that I'm going to share with you today. And I'm going to use a teaching tool, pictures. Now, let me first say that there is no one who is a worse artist than me. And I can't draw a straight line to save my life. And when I try to write anything down in Chinese or Japanese or Korean, it doesn't work out very well. And so for my Chinese friends, I apologize for that. Heck, my handwriting in my own native language, English, is so bad that I can't even read it. But here we go. Scientists have learned a lot of why we age. And that means that we've just come to the understanding that many teachings in the Old Testament of the Bible about people living for hundreds of years, we are coming to the understanding that is actually possibly true. Now, I know it to be exactly true, but let's let you know what scientists are just discovering. And here's why this discovery is. My talks have to be short, and anyone can understand my talks. Those are my two parameters. A child can understand what I say, and it's going to be short. And my drawings, which is my new teaching tool, is going to be amazingly bad. Here is my drawing, my quick draw of a nerve cell. And this is the cell body called the neuron. And these little antenna-looking things that are not supposed to be straight, and they're not, are called dendrites. And this is the way the human body works. Whenever we think or move or talk, an electrical signal is sent via these dendrites that are close, the end of them are close to the next set of dendrites. And that's the way the human body works. And these signals that get sent are called the neural pathway. Here is a drawing of a number of these neurons, and this orange line is showing a signal that's being sent. Whenever we think or have any kind of action, that's what happens. And my next drawing is going to be of where the weakness is that we have just discovered. And it's really good news because we've also recently discovered how to stop that problem. So we live a long life, and we can live longer by choosing the types of foods we eat and choosing whether or not to ingest liquids that may be healthy or harm us. So here's the good news. This place that we've discovered is the connection between the dendrite and the neuron. Our Creator made us with a weakness only that shows up when we're living in today's society, and that's for another topic. But I want to say that I am not paid to accept money to tell you about this discovery. And if you Google the product I'm going to speak about and then click on it, if you find a negative comment and click on the negative comment, you're most likely going to find that that negative is a positive. And that negative comment is even an endorsement for the product I'm going to speak about. So if you click on the bibliography of this product, it will also show the long chain of events of decades of research, scientific research, that had to be tested and proven and then accepted as you want to live with quality of life, because now you have a choice to make. When are you going to start to reverse your aging process? And my sole purpose of speaking to you today is so that you can have a longer and healthier life. That product is called